Vidit bhai. I would have loved if Vidit bhai was here, but I think he's busy with something.
Yeah.
मतलब कैसे, like, your chemistry and you see your friendship is so amazing. How did this happen?
I think if not for Vidit, I think Vidit played one of the most important roles, in the streaming thing. Otherwise, it was just a combination of all of us. Yeah, this chess boom that has happened. It's not one person can't do it. I started it. I agree. I did whatever but it would have gone nowhere without all of you. Vidit जब मैं विदित को मिला ना जब मैं when I realized कि ऐसा एक grandmaster है who's so good at chess, but he's also just another guy. Like he's like another friend I have in college. He's just another guy who can just destroy 1 billion people in chess, and he's just cool about it. He's like,
He's like, समय ये move क्यों कर रहे हो?
if I had that level of skill, I would not even look at other people. I would like, that तुम लोग को आंखें बंद करके हरा सकता हूँ मैं 10 लोग को. तुम क्या हो भाई? This guy is like, he's a genius, and he's just like, क्या कल खाएंगे नासिक में आम चूसेंगे, and he's just doing normal stuff like everyone does. आम चूस रहा है, मिसल पाव खा रहा है. So I'm like, and he was funny. He used to understand. He used to watch stand up. He was a fan of comic stand. So it was like a mutual thing. So suddenly I was like, भाई chess player cool है, chess player cool है, जनता ready है, फटाफट हो जाए. फिर Vidit instantly became a crowd favorite. Like I had become in Tanmay's stream, Vidit became in my stream. It always happens. This is how it goes ahead. Like how Raja has now become in Vidit's stream. Tomorrow Raja will become even big. He'll get someone and someone will become favorite in his stream. They'll be like, call this guy, call this guy. Now wherever with his streams, call Raja, call Raja, call Raja. So now when Raja will get someone, it'll be like, so it will keep, people will start loving more people. So he was instantly likable by the audience.
Yeah.
And that just हमारी chemistry बन गई एक मेरे और विदित की एक. Again we found characters that are there. बस एक दूसरे की थोड़ा ले लो हंसी मजाक में, अरे GF reveal, अरे bye bye, ये सब वो सब. And it was the most beautiful thing.
Amazing. अरे क्या इवेंट किया था.
अरे इससे पहले मेन चीज तो आप भूल गए भाई, सागर शाह वाला फ्रेम कहाँ है भाई? आपके बिना तो क्या ही है भाई, कुछ नहीं है आपके बिना.
मैंने एक डाला था, I have put this one.
ये है भाई, ये चीज जो हुई है, this is the revolution of chess.
I don't know, somehow unbelievable. Today we did this episode 92
भाई. पता है मैंने जब आपसे मेरा पहला मैसेज विदित को था, भाई सागर शाह बंदा कैसा है, बिफोर यू एड का, इज लाइक ही इज टू सिंपल, पीपल कॉल हिम सादा डोसा. You remember?
Yeah, you had told sada dosa, and then people started calling me masala dosa.
They were like, तुम सादा डोसा नहीं तो मसाला डोसा. And I just, when I met you guys, now I realized कि ये क्या दुनिया है भाई. You guys are so awesome. You guys are so talented, and you guys are so chill. And I loved hanging out with you guys online.
I can tell you one simple thing. When I saw what you were doing, for me it was like, I'm trying my best to popularize chess, to bring people to chess, and here is someone who is bringing so many people into chess. How is he doing this? And I wrote one article on you and Vidit playing that game, analysis and all, and I was wondering ki kya, and I used to watch the stream and essay, and it's I still can't believe that so many people are following chess.
I can't believe, bro. I can't believe it, man. I still think it's a dream. I still don't know how it happened. It just happened.
Yeah, it's amazing. And always, look at this.
It was like I'm an entertainer. I know how to put a show on. Vidit is a genius. You have the entire. You are the wise guy. You are the brains behind everything. You can get things done. You can get contacts. You can call guests. So it was a combination of everything. समझ रहे हो? जैसे अगर विदित नहीं होता, अगर आप नहीं होते तो चेस कमेंट्री में मजा नहीं आता. अगर विदित नहीं होता तो चेस देखने में मजा नहीं आता उस लेवल का. अगर हम लोग नहीं होते तो हम लोग कुछ बवासीर नहीं करते. तो मे बी बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑडियंस आर नूब्स लाइक अस, नो, इन चेस. उनकी रेटिंग भी 1200 है. मोस्ट ऑडियंस की रेटिंग 800 से 1200 हमारी रेटिंग में है. तो दे वुडंट बी एबल टू रिलेट अगर सिर्फ विदित कर रहा होता. तो इट वाज, हम तीनों ने एक दूसरे की कमियां पूरी कर दी बेसिकली, एंड इट जस्ट people started enjoying the perfect package.
Yeah, and now so many people are streaming, and that's so amazing.
And this chess for charity,
Look at this
blew my
frame.
mind.
No, look at this frame. There is Samay, Vidit, Tanya, Yuzvendra, Raftar, Krishna, right? वो जो
Yeah.
पीछे है. Botes, me, Anish, Mortal, Scout,
Yaya Bhutwala.
हाँ.
There is so many. Rahul Subramaniam is there.
Kanis,
Kanis
Vaibhav,
is there.
Biswa, Tanmay,
Varun is there. Varun Sood.
Kusha. I
Yeah.
mean, look at so many stars playing
Raghav
chess.
Jiwal is there. Yeah, they all had a great time in Chess for Charity 1. And the best part was that chess के साथ ना एक nobility जुड़ी है, which is not there with any other game. Yeah, you agree to that?
Yes.
Chess is a noble game. I don't know what it is about it, but it's there's nobility with it. So with such noble sport, I thought you can do something like I have a feeling कि अगर मैंने PUBG खेल के ये किया होता इतना पैसा नहीं बनता. This much money we could never raise for these so many reasons. There is something about chess.
Look at how much money is raised in just few months.
This idea only was so mind blowing for me कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं भाई, हम लोग एक लैपटॉप पे बैठे हैं, कहीं हिल नहीं रहे हैं, मैं कच्छा पहन के बैठा हूँ, ये पर्दा है पीछे और हम लोग किसी बाहर किसी गरीब का पेट भर रहे हैं. This concept is still incredible for me.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं है भाई, ये एक माइक है जो चलता नहीं है कभी, घर पे दो बंदे बैठे हैं एक दूसरे से बातें कर रहे हैं, चेस खेल रहे हैं और बाहर कोई लोग बंदा आज घर पे खाना खा सकता है. It's insane.
Amazing. And look at what happened, yeah, because of that. I think this was your proudest moment.
Yeah, this is hands down the proudest. My dad and mom, there was my mom that cried on the TV. My dad, he was taking photos like this, ऐसे because again dad को चाहिए Instagram traction, तो dad ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को बाद में बोले स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो, नहीं, dad ऐसा फोन से फोटो खींच के my son with Vishwanathan Anand.
Yeah, and I remember you were like,
my father is so amazed, he's like, क्या किया, हरा दिया? Of course हरा दिया यार, विश्वनाथन आनंद ने of course हरा दिया हमको.
Too good. And then you come up with such interesting ideas, like people do memberships on their channel to raise money, like to have money for themselves. You said that there will be one segment which is Ambani OP, जिसमें सारे पैसे will go to sort of charitable cause every month. ये idea कहाँ से आया?
जब YouTube में membership खोली, see, I have my own bills, okay, honestly if I tell you, बहुत खर्चे हैं. एडिटर का खर्चा है, मेरा आराम से मेरा ₹1,00,000 चले जाता है ये सब करने में. दो एडिटर की फुल टाइम सैलरी, एक जो बंदा दूसरे के एडिट कर लेता है उसके बाद, थंबनेल्स वाला का खर्चा है. They have to so many basically things I have to do. Sometimes to buy gifts for some people. I have to also save money for my own thing because this is my job. So memberships was always like it's another thing that helps a creator to earn money for themselves. Because आपको पता है कि सुपर चैट से उतना नहीं होता है, right? तो वो तो था ही. But I was like, I honestly think ₹7,000 मैं किसी बंदे से हर महीने लूं, I don't deserve that money. मैं क्या करूं यार? I don't think I am worth that money. That कि कोई मैं उस बंदे से कैसे बात करूं डिस्कॉर्ड पे कि भाई कि तू मुझे हर महीने 7,000 दे, मैं तेरे से मैं ऐसा क्या बात करूंगा उससे, मैं ऐसा क्या उसके लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड करूंगा ₹7,000 लग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Instead I thought the best thing to do with that kind of money, that amount of money, that's a lot of money, is to help other people, to create this one thing and to create this community of people कि हम कल को चाहे तो ऐसे किसी की लाइफ सुधार सकते हैं. Amazing. हर महीने. Dude, आज की डेट है कि हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पे ग्रुप फुल हो गया है. इंस्टाग्राम में only 32 people can come. And now we have to move to a Facebook group because we have so many people. And it's only growing.
Imagine one day you will have 100 members.
That's what I'm saying. Imagine 100 members, 8,000 rupees per month. Imagine that money. That's some crazy amount of money. I'm very bad at math.
नहीं, 8 लाख रुपए होते हैं, but this thought आपके अंदर आया कैसे? ये it's such a, because memberships is always used for your own. बहुत बढ़िया,
मेरे को घिन आएगी यार, मैं सो नहीं पाऊंगा रात को ये सोच के कि मैं किसी से हर महीने 8,000 रुपए ले रहा हूँ बस उससे बात करने के लिए। मैं नहीं,
It's a very nice thought.
मैं थूकूंगा खुद पे यार। मैं क्या जवाब दूंगा यार मरने के बाद किसी को? मरने के बाद किसको देना? My conscience will not let me be if I take 8,000 rupees from everyone, somebody, especially from, let's say, there are always these young kids, you know, who are very into समय भाई से बात करेंगे. I do not want to cheat you like that. I don't want to be that guy. समझ रहे हो आप? I have my bills, but not इतना भी नहीं है मेरा कुछ कि भाई मैं तुमसे 8,000 रुपए लूं और फिर क्या करूं, बवासीर करूं. Not worth it.
I think the biggest, I have not put in every match, but the finals where 68,000 people watched it, more than 68,000, and India became the joint winners with Russia, gold medal. Kaisa, how was that feeling, this entire journey?
Oh man, it was so insane. This was, इतने लोग देख रहे थे यार, एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था सागर भाई, कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था यार. 68,000 people watching chess, supporting India. भाई पावर देख रहे थे आप उस दिन? ऐसे हमने ट्रेंड करा दिया था कुछ, ऐसे निहाल सरीन ट्रेंड हो गया था. इतने 68,000 people just can do इतना. वो बंदे का ईमेल क्रैश हो गया था यार. ईमेल क्रैश हो गया था. हम लोग जाके फीडे की वेबसाइट क्रैश कर दी थी हम लोगों ने. तो the support was so incredible. एमिल सुटोस्की आ गया है हम लोग को हमारे स्ट्रीम पे. एमिल सुटोस्की आ गया है और ऑफिशियली अनाउंस कर रहा है हमारे स्ट्रीम पे रिजल्ट अर्मेनिया और इंडिया का.
ये देखो, और एमिल सुटोस्की का ट्वीट, FIDE would throw its weight behind every dedicated project promoting chess. I really see an impact Samay has on Indian audience. And guys, Emil Sutovsky is FIDE, जो World Chess Body है, उनके director general है, and he says this. You must have felt unreal, yeah, like
I felt too great
because until now you had love from the viewers, but here is
credibility,
like from FIDE, the one of the top guys in FIDE.
अबे ऐसा हो गया है कि चेस का ऐप नहीं होता तो सीधा chess.com को कॉल हो जाता है. ये कुछ होता है तो डायरेक्ट एमिल सुटोस्की से बात हो जाती है भाई टूर्नामेंट के बारे में. कुछ स्पॉन्सरशिप चाहिए तो डायरेक्ट महिंद्रा.
अरे
ये क्या लाइफ है यार सागर शाह, कभी नहीं सोचा था यार.
ये देखो जिनका नाम बोला आनंद महिंद्रा से कोई तो श्रुत शाह ने लिखा था कि सर हेल्प टू ऑर्गेनाइज इंडियन चेस लीग टू मेक चेस रीच अ न्यू लेवल. तो उन्होंने कहा हैप्पी टू टॉक गोइंग ऑफलाइन.
14th को आई एम टॉकिंग टू हिम. 14th
आफ्टर टुमारो.
After tomorrow is my call with him. That's insane.
Amazing.
One thing I would like to shout out to, especially to Raftar, to Yuzvendra Chahal, to all these big celebrities who believed in the cause, you know. Nahi to aram se they could have just ignored my message.
Yeah.
But they came, and because they came, so many people came. So everyone who has ever come to my stream in the initial days, big thank you to you, those guys, man. Like they helped a lot. Abhishek Upmanyu.
Yeah. And of course Biswa and Vaibhav.
Biswa Vaibhav's contribution is unparalleled in this. उनको उतना मैं कभी भी देखता हूँ ना, समय you have done, मेरे को मैं तो ऐसा इन्होंने कम किया है क्या भाई बिस्वा वैभव ने? बिस्वा वैभव के बिना कुछ नहीं था यार, कुछ नहीं. लोग मेरे लिए नहीं आते थे शुरू में.
उन्होंने कभी ऐसा क्यों नहीं सोचा कि we will also stream chess? Why did they always?
Because their heart is so big. Because Biswa and Vaibhav, especially Vaibhav, बिस्वा तो है, बिस्वा तो बहुत बिजी है, उसके और प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं, बट these guys, they are so generous. They don't think about all of this यार. They don't think about subscribers. They think about having fun. They think about chilling. They think about following where their heart takes them. And उनको they are the unsung heroes of this revolution.
Yeah.
Because जनता कभी शुरू में मेरे लिए नहीं आई थी. People came for Biswa and Vaibhav. People stayed for me later. True. So their contribution is unparalleled, unmatched. Biswa Hacker is the most successful chess video on my channel.
Yes. And also I have to tell you the truth. Sorry, Samay, but I said it on your stream also.
Yeah. I agree.
When I came to yours, I said Biswa is my favorite.
Biswa is my favorite amongst the three of us, yaar.
And now Samay's channel has 395,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Just in 4 months or 4.5, 5 months.